any rain is considered with a genuine tropical downpour. So rapidly that scores of cars were soon trapped, their occupants stranded on the roof.
Branches.
We were standing on top of the car, and there was no tree, nothing around us. And so they were lucky, actually, that they had a tree to climb up.
Almost 50 of them had to be rescued by... jumped from his helicopter into 12 feet of water to buoy up a victim. Remarkably, all were saved, though 4 people were injured in one way or another. Los Angeles, where any rain is considered a newsworthy novelty, was pelted with a genuine tropical downpour. Some parts of town got as much as 6 inches of rain in just a few hours, and it accumulated in a floodplain so rapidly that scores of cars were soon trapped, their occupants stranded on the roof or in nearby trees.
We were in the car, and all of a sudden the water started rising up. We had no other choice but get out of the car and hang on to 3. We were just holding on.